Hi, so today I'll just show you how you can view your README uh, along with your in your VS Code. So right now I have README.MD here. So let's say this is my README. So if I want to view the how the README is going to look like, what you can install in your from an extension, it's called the reference reference search view. So this is the one you can install. So I already have installed. So let's see how my README will look like. So you can click this one. So this is how my README will look like. So let's say I modify this. It's gonna look like this. Let's say I want to create a link. Basically, you just do. Let's say this is just a simple project I'm working on in my Python. Oh my bad. Let's. This is not how it should be. It should be look like this. And let's say SQLite browser. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, so this is how your README will look like. So you can tab your README and then view your README along the along with your VS Code. This is pretty. I think it's pretty useful if you have to write your documentations and stuff. That's it for now.